Hello everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Dongcheng electric impact drill. The model that we have with us is the DZJ03. This is the 13mm. If you have a look at the box all around, it's mostly the same on both the sides, but I'll still show you. It's the 13mm specification. It's got the reverse forward action, and it has a variable speed as well, and which is between 0 to 1200 RPM. It's a 500 wattage, which makes it absolutely perfect for household drilling. You want to drill in wall clocks, you need to put up paintings, or anything on the wall that goes which requires drilling. This is a superb tool that you can use. I am going to start the unboxing now. Have a look at what is inside. So over here we have the operations instruction. This is the manual. I'm just going to put that aside. Over here is the tool. So let me just get that out. Oops. Wow, that's pretty cool. There's nothing else in the box, as you can see, so I'm going to put that aside. And what do we have here? Okay, so let me remove the plastic so you guys get a better view of the product. This nut and this is used for a specific purpose, so I'll show you what that's going to be used for. In the meanwhile, this is the Dongcheng power tool. So you have the on-off switch, which is over here. You have this controls variable speed. This is specifically used if you want your drill to be, if you want a continuous drilling. So you don't really need to keep holding this. You just press this button and the drill will continue. And then if it's like a longer drill, now what I'll do is let me just move this into operations position. Okay, so this is actually how it is. It was just that way because it was in the box. Now I'm going to attach the nut and I'll tell you what this thing does. I'm going to put this on top over here. I'll just screw that in and I'll put this out here. So what this does is you can actually drill to a specific depth. You really don't have to worry about it, so you get your measurements. So we don't have the bit that comes along with this. It is sold separately, even if it comes out this much. This is the depth, so when you're drilling it won't go beyond this particular point. So this is to measure. So right now I'm just going to remove it and keep it aside. We don't need that. What I'll do is I'm going to plug the device in and I'm going to show you how this device performs. So here we have the lock. What this does is when I am using the device, I don't really need to keep this pressed. So I just press it and then I lock it and then it will keep rotating. Right on the button over here, what we have is the variable speed. So if I just, right now it's on the lowest. So if I just move it clockwise, this is the max that it goes. And then I will show you how so that is the speed. Over here we also have the forward and the reverse. So this actually works in both directions as well. So you can drill in forward and you can drill in reverse as well. This is useful in certain situations. And like I said, for this, so what I'll do is I'll just once again just reduce this. Okay, now when you have this plugged in, this is a lock for your device. There. So now all I do is I don't need to hold the button. It's automatically moving. And if I need to just switch it off, all I need to do is press this and release it. And then it stops.